is in the air.
So Valentine's Day is right around the corner. So today we're gonna be making a smoking hot cocktail for y'all so that you can woo your man or your girl on Valentine's Day.
The cocktail we are making today is a smoky twist on the classic Paloma, rimmed with Twang-a-rita grapefruit rimming salt. So not only is the salt delicious, but it is also the color pink. Perfect for Valentine's Day. All of it.
All of it. We love
all. I'm just gonna pour it into my mouth.
it. Crazy. So we're gonna go ahead and use this juicy grapefruit to get the rim of the glass wet. Are we 5?
Okay.
Okay, we're 5. Okay, ready? Beautiful.
The name of this cocktail is Smokin Paloma Love. So to bring in that smoky flavor, we're going to be adding 2 ounces of Mezcal.
So the next ingredient we're gonna be using is red grapefruit juice. You wanna make sure that you get the red grapefruit juice so that it gives it that pink color. We're gonna sweeten this drink up with a 1/2 ounce of agave.
Next, we're going to be adding a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Now you can always use store-bought, but we're going to be using fresh lime juice here because we really want to show our lovers how much we love them. We're gonna cut up this fruit and we're gonna put in work, okay? Now for the cherry on top, or should I say grapefruit on top, we are going to be making the cutest heart-shaped garnish. Take your grapefruit and cut it in half end to end. Now we're gonna slice it up. Now that we have our grapefruit slice, we're gonna divide it 3 ways. If you look closely, you can see 3 hearts within the grapefruit. Tanya, you have an imagination? Cut it along the lines of the grapefruit. Carefully cut away the skin of the grapefruit. Cut the corners off the edge of the heart. And last, we're gonna carve out the V of the heart. So very careful, these babies are very sensitive, okay? Now we're gonna take our cute little heart-shaped garnish, put that baby right on top, and there you have the cutest Valentine's Day cocktail, if I do say so myself.